Y'all just missed it. It is the second Snow Megadon 2.0 in Atlanta. I just fucking slid. I literally just fucking slid, bro. Whole car turned horizontal and everything. Oh my Lord. I am crazy. I like, you don't understand. I went to the house and I'm like, bro, nah, let me stay my ass inside. But I don't got no motherfucking pizza. You feel me? I need some pizza. Before I just, you know what I'm saying, get inside the house, I need some pizza. You know what I'm saying? What's better than eating some pizza while it's snowing outside watching a movie? You feel me? Some pizza Hut. Hey, you talking, man? I'm trying to record, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell the people what the fuck going on. You feel me? God damn. I just really slid, bro. Like, my wheels thought it was ice skating, bro. Like, it really dead ass thought it was time to ice skate. Shit ain't for that. You feel me? Shit ain't for that. I'm just trying to film outside, get some pizza, and make it back. Goddamn. Please. Protect me, Lord. Please. Y'all see? Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I just really slid. I slid. Slid. How you feel about that?
Nothing. My heart dropped for you. I don't know how to feel.
Woo! Boy, I was so scared. Hey, I used my emergency brakes and everything. Like, I used my emergency brakes and everything to try to stop that motherfucker. Oh my Lord. Hey, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get some pizza. 1 second. Snowy out here. Just made it to the Pizza Hut. As y'all can see. Give me like 2 minutes, sorry. I already know what I want. I definitely want a pepperoni pizza with the cheese on the crust.
In the crust?
Yeah.
So large, stuffed crust?
Yeah. You got like smaller or is it only large?
Stuffed crust will come in large.
Yeah, I do that.
Just pepperoni?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Oh, you can split it, right?
Huh?
You can split it, right? Let me do half pepperoni and half barbecue meatball. Just let out here, y'all. No mind my dirty car. Alright, but this is probably why I'm sliding right here. You know what I'm saying? You see this ice? Oh shit, I'm getting shoes dirty. What's that? I'll fix it in a minute. I'm holding my phone right now. What's up, y'all? I'm not gonna prolong this vlog. I don't like to do too much, you know what I'm saying? Especially if I got really nothing going on for real. Nothing that's really entertaining. So I'm gonna end this vlog. But Atlanta, it has snowed again. You know what I'm saying? Don't know how tomorrow's gonna be. Hopefully I can drive, get some things done. I got the pizza. Smell delicious. Pizza Hut and Domino's are, you know, my favorite pizza spots. Pizza Hut is first. I'm just 2 miles down from the crib. Got to go through a couple of hills, so just pray I don't slip and slide and crash. But look, it's ambulances everywhere. I mean, there's so much going on. All you see is accidents. So let me get back to the crib because the later it gets, the colder it gets, and the faster the snow freezes. So I'll hit y'all tomorrow or the next video or the next clip, whatever. We'll see. Peace.